How to use magnesium for perfect sleep. Are you having trouble getting a good night's sleep? Do you toss and turn as you lie in bed? Do you lie there thinking about the things that went right or wrong during the day? Or do you lie there thinking about the problems you or others created that need to be resolved? Regardless of the anxiety that is causing you not to sleep like you should, this doesn't have to happen to you. Clinicians, doctors, naturopathic doctors have long discovered how to use magnesium to help you get better sleep. Hi, Rudy Silva, natural nutritionist, here to help you get some rest at night so you can wake up feeling ready to face your day. Yes, doctors can prescribe medication for you to sleep, but these have side effects, and there are better ways to deal with your sleep issues. You can use natural remedies for sleep, but you need to research and experiment with which ones to use. Now, magnesium can help you sleep deeper and better. It has been used for decades for this problem. You too can do just this. Isn't it time for you to start using magnesium for sleep? Magnesium has been called the master relaxer, and is known to calm your nerves, and thus decrease your anxiety. It works on your entire body to reduce tension, and to neutralize acids that create pain and anxiety. So, how do you use magnesium for good sleep? It's very simple. You need at least 400 milligrams of magnesium every day. You need to experiment with it to determine what gives you the best sleep. First, start with 200 milligrams in the morning, and 200 milligrams before bedtime. Then try 100 milligrams in the morning, and 300 milligrams before bed. There are a variety of magnesium supplements to take, but you should start with magnesium glycinate. Avoid magnesium carbonate, or magnesium oxide. If you want to know all there is to know about how, why, when, and which way to use magnesium, I have prepared a course for you, called Silva Magnesium Master Course. This course gives you all the information on how critical it is for you to start using magnesium to diminish any illness. In the meantime, start using magnesium glycinate for sleep. Go to the link below to get more information on my new course, Silva Magnesium Master Course. Hey! Thanks for your time, and for viewing my video.